Alright, so we got everything we need. There we go. Hey, thanks for coming to our channel, Grills and Axle Grease. If you enjoy seeing old cars like this back on the road, then this channel's for you. I hope you subscribe and join us. This right here, this 60 Pontiac, for example, was sitting for a long time. The owner felt bad that he just neglected the car for so long, so we're working out all the bugs right now. We want to see this back on the road. But if you like to see things that may have been sitting outside or in a field and the stories behind them, and then maybe even 1,200-mile journey back home if we make it, this channel's for you. I've been at stuff like this a long time ago, you know, back in the early 90s, dragging cars sight unseen, going as far as New York, and yeah, having to do a engine swap on the way. So hopefully you don't get that deep in things. But the other thing that I wanted to mention here real quick is I'm hoping this channel will help some of the same way a lot of YouTube channels have helped me. You have a particular repair on a car that you can't find the answer in a forum, or at least very quickly, or in the owner's manual. You go online and you see someone actually working on the thing that you're trying to solve. So we'll be covering enough repairs on these cars to probably hit on a few things that people have been looking for the same solutions there as well. A lot of stuff we'll do won't be done the right way, just the only way that I could figure out with limited tools and limited budget, but like my camera setup here and all that. But hey, it's a learning journey, and again, I hope you're entertained and I hope you have fun. So thanks for checking out the channel. No, that's stupid. Okay, Garmin, stop recording.